You can group simple badges into milestone badges, also known as meta badges. A milestone badge is automatically issued when part or all of the badges that compose it are obtained. To create a milestone badge, first create the milestone badge as a classic badge. Once the badge is created, click on Milestone Badges and Create New Milestone Badge. Pick Milestone Badge and select your badge from your badge library. And pick all the required badges to get this milestone badge. You can define whether the issue of this milestone badge requires all badges or if only a minimum number of badges is required. Save your new milestone badge when you're done. In this example, as soon as an individual has the 3 mentioned badges, the milestone badge will be assigned to him automatically.